Look at the Full Star vegetable slicer. This has everything you could need to slice your vegetables. I love the little storage thing it has for it. I also keep mine in the box just to keep everything together. It sucks. The box is not a little more solid, but it is what it is. I'm just going to show you how it works. So these are potatoes. I like to slice my vegetables about an inch or so thick, depending on what I'm cutting with this particular slicer, and you'll get to know it as you use it. So these are potatoes, obviously. I'm also going to show you how the peeler works because that comes with it as well, although I usually store it separate because I use it at different times. But it has a peeler, a julienne, and a bad spot remover. I don't know if that's a technical term, but let's go. So get that bad spot out. And yes, it is your run-of-the-mill peeler, but it actually works really good. You can also make noodle strips with it, which is a nice added bonus. It's very sharp. If anything, it goes a little too deep, so just use a light hand. So you can chop all sorts of things. Here's some onion. It gets everything nice and uniform size, and it definitely saves time. I like to cut my vegetables in bulk, flash freeze them, and put them in baggies because of how easy this is. Jalapeno, peppers, the sky is the limit. Sometimes stuff gets stuck and you do have to clean it, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how that works too. It's really easy. Check out the storage unit again for it. I love how you can store stuff in here and it just keeps everything safe and out of the way. Tomatoes are great. Sometimes they do get stuck if the peel's really thick, but no worries. It comes with a handy dandy brush and also a little picker that fits just in between the grooves. Couldn't be easier to clean this thing out. And then you can put it in the dishwasher too if you want, but I usually just do it by hand because it's quicker. And yeah, so we got a citrus juicer here, which you do need a little elbow grease for, but it gets the citrus nice and clean. It has little measurements on there. Look at that. I just made salsa in the time I was making a video for you guys. Best homemade fresh salsa ever. It also has an egg separator. I'm not gonna lie, I don't use this very much because I can separate eggs just fine with my hands. I've been doing it for years, but the option is here. You just got to get the air out of it a little bit so the egg white can go through, and there you go. You can also slice some eggs. Hard-boiled eggs to put on your salad or to snack on. Beautiful even slices every time.